Energy Minister Darrell Vaz toured Johnson's Petroleum headquarters to inspect the deployment of 10 mobile gas stations aimed at providing fuel relief to parishes affected by Hurricane Melissa. The ministry's latest initiative is designed to provide more help for persons in the most severely affected areas. With more, here's Crystal Williams.
Minister of Energy Darrell Vaz says the main intention of these mobile gas stations is to provide access by cutting down the distances people who need it would have to travel to get petrol. He says marine fuel will also be deployed to fishing beaches in the west.
So, in my discussions with the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries Department, Great Bay, Black River, Scotts Cove, Belmont, the Grill, and White House, these areas, despite the fact that they have gotten significant damage to their boats and their engines, they still are in need of marine fuel.
He implored the owner of Johnson's Petroleum personally.
I'm going to ask Mr. Johnson to specifically target the western parishes for now, until such time as normality returns. And then you can obviously spread out into your original plan.
Michael Taylor, Chief Technical Engineer at Johnson's Petroleum, gave a rundown of the revolutionary mobile gas stations providing fuel to hardest affected areas.
That one over there is roughly about 100 liters. This one here is a double compartment. Right, it is 200 liters, and this one here is 2 compartment, holding as much as about, I think it's 1,500, 1,000 liters.
He says units are being made available to return the tourism and health industries, specifically in western parishes, to normalcy.
We were at a juncture in which we wanted to be of assistance as well to the people who have suffered severely in the western parishes.
Crystal Williams, CVM News.